Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. Recently, I upgraded the headlights on my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300 from the stock ugly halogen headlights to the brand new full LED AMG style projection headlights from Unique Style Racing. So far, the new headlights have been amazing. They look awesome and the Lightbeam is just so much better over the stock halogen Lightbeam. Speaking of Lightbeam, today I want to show you how I adjust these headlights to get maximum light output. Not sure if you're aware, but when you replace headlights on a car with aftermarket headlights or even stock OEM replacement headlights, the Lightbeam needs to be adjusted specifically for that car. Things like how the headlights are installed on the car, the suspension of the car, even the tire pressure will dictate how the Lightbeam shines on the ground. So to get maximum light output for my car, here's how I adjusted the headlights. First step is to park my car close to a wall while on a leveled flat surface. Next, I use some masking tape to mark off on the wall where the center of my car is at and where the center of each headlights are at. And about 2 inches below where the center of each headlights are marked, that's where I put a horizontal strip of tape. Now that I have the target reference points on the wall, I can slowly back up my car in a straight line so my headlights are about 25 feet from the wall. Now I can go ahead, turn on the headlights and see what needs to be adjusted. As you can see on the wall, my driver's side light beam is much lower than the target point, and on the passenger side, it's much higher than the target point. So that means I need to increase the height of the driver's side light beam and I need to decrease the height on the passenger light beam. So to adjust the headlights, there's usually 2 adjusters on each headlight. This one on the outside of the headlight is going to allow the beam to move left or right. And this one on the inside of the headlight is going to allow it to go up or down. Since my light beams are only vertically off, I'm only going to focus on the up and down adjuster. And it's really easy to adjust. All I need to do is grab a long Phillips head screwdriver or a hex key, insert it into the adjuster and twist. If I twist it counterclockwise, the beam will go up. If I twist it clockwise, the beam will go down. And one thing to note, these adjusters are made of plastic. So I actually have to be very careful that I don't strip it and I don't twist it too hard that it might break the adjuster. So after a few turns of the adjusters on both sides, I was able to dial in both light beams on the target area on the wall. And that's it. Now I know when I drive at night, I'm going to be able to get maximum light output for the headlights, and I know that I'm not going to be blinding oncoming traffic in the opposite direction. So there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.